Frustrated with AirPlay not working on your Roku? You're not alone. Here's how to fix it, fast. First, make sure your Roku and your Apple device are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is a common mistake. If they're on different networks, AirPlay won't work. Next, check if your Roku supports AirPlay. Most newer Roku models do, but double-check in your Roku settings under Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. If you don't see that option, your device might not support AirPlay. Now, restart both your Roku and your Apple device. Just unplug your Roku for 10 seconds, then plug it back in. For your Apple device, a simple restart can clear up a lot of issues. Still not working? Update your Roku software. Go to Settings, then System, and click on System Update. Do the same on your Apple device. Updates fix bugs. If AirPlay still won't show up, turn off any VPNs or firewalls on your network. They can block the connection between your devices. Last tip, reset your Roku's network connection. Go to Settings, then Network, and set up your Wi-Fi again. That's it. Try these steps, and you should be back to streaming with AirPlay on Roku. If it's still not working, drop a comment. Someone else might have the perfect fix.